This session, we're going to be looking at how to penetrate into other regions, into non-English speaking countries with our products and with our services without the language being a barrier. So we're going to be using the help of an AI tool called HeyGen. So what HeyGen is going to do for us is going to help us to translate the language in our video, the language that was spoken in our video, into any language at all we'd like to communicate in. So in order to achieve this, you first need to record yourself in your own official language. For in my own case, in English language. So I have a pre-recorded video of myself where I've spoken about my product, where I've tried to sell my product. So I've used this to market myself in the French language. It's amazing how, something as simple as this can make a very, very, huge difference. So let's just get right into it. So I'll just write here. Okay, let me just go back. So HeyGen is an AI tool you can sign up to. So you can sign up for the free version. You can sign up for the pro version. But even with the free version, you have access to many of the features. You are able to, get a lot of work done. So we're just going to go ahead and get this done. So you click on translate a video, and right here, you're able to upload a video of yourself, and by just browsing through your computer system and picking your file. I have a pre-recorded video of myself right here. So I'm just going to upload it onto HeyGen. So here you have the option to choose the language you want to communicate in. So you can just go ahead and choose your language of choice. So here, so these are many languages where you can speak in. So I think I will do Chinese. So let's see what this is going to work out for us. Okay, I've chosen Chinese, and you come down here and just click on translate. It might take some time to generate the video, so you just have to wait and let it do the magic for you. Okay, and right here we have our video generated by HeyGen. I'm just going to click into it and play this and see what we have. So here we go.
你好，我叫 Akora。
Okay.
你有什么技能、才华和经验吗？我在亚马逊上免费的电子书《多元收入来源指南》为你提供了将这些转化为实际收入的逐步指导。
The face movement, the mouth movement, everything aligns with, the word. So with this simple video that we've generated, we're able to penetrate into other markets and sell products and services without the language being a barrier.